Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Emily Kabugkaiman. I'm 35 years old. I'm a single. I have two children, and their age are 5 years old and 8 years old. I'm from Muntinlupa City, Philippines. I graduated high school year 2007-2008 in Misamis University, Oroqueta City, Misamis Occidental, here in Philippines. And also college undergrad year 2008-2010 in Misamis Occidental Technological Institute. My course is Office Management. I have a work experience in Philippines for 2 years as a housemaid, where I did general housework like cleaning, cooking, laundry, and ironing. Also have work experience here in Philippines for 2 years. I can take care of children and also household chores. I can do general housework like simple cook meals and I'm willing to learn more. I can do also take care of babies elderly, even with reading with proper guidance. I understand and accept 2 years contract in Malaysia, and I agree to use my phone only after my working hours. I am respectful, hardworking, and trustworthy. I hope you will consider me for this opportunity. Thank you very much.